Introducing 7-Minute Course Creators. The 7-Minute Course Creators Workshop. Course launching on steroids. I promise you have never seen it done this way, and you'll never go back once you see this. This is a system and process that has taken the last 5 years to build. There was a lot of testing, trial, and error, lots of errors, to create the masterpiece workshop that's about to go down virtually. Once we figured out this method, not only were we able to 10x our sales, but we also grew our list by leaps and bounds, and so have our members. You're going to be obsessed with creating the ugly little courses. Ask me how I know. There's weeks I launch 2 or 3. I can't even keep up with myself. The process, system, strategy, and resources will be revealed to you on this 3-day workshop. And trust me when I say it's stupid simple. We have a 3-step magic process that works like clockwork. Nobody gets left behind. Step number 1. We show you exactly what to do. Step number 2. We put a countdown timer on the screen. Step number 3. We celebrate your success. You'll get everything you need on this workshop. And it's going to be the experience of a lifetime. You're going to learn how to finally launch simple little ugly courses that are gamified and monetized. And I can promise you're going to build your mini course. The 7-Minute Course Creators Trademark. Workshop schedule of events. Day number 1. Creating the course outline. How to tap into profits. We first need to make sure that you are not swimming in deep blue waters. We want you swimming in waters with a lot of fish and some man-eating great whites as well. The Picasso framework. We start with a canvas that already has a small portrait on it. The reason most people fail is because they start with a blank canvas. Leverage a proven outline. You're going to learn how to actually create a draft of your mini course, even if you are not sure where to begin. Put it this way, you'll be extremely inspired. Adaptable foundation. Should you ever need to make changes or updates to your course, you're going to be able to do it with a single click. And we've got contests, points, badges, rewards, and massive engagement that's going to go down on session number 1. By the time this lesson is done, you will be ready to load your course. Day number 2. Creating the actual course. Theme setting. We're going to show you how to set up your course theme in about 2 minutes or less. You're going to love how easy this is. Zero tech course creation. This is the part that is just pure genius. With 2 simple clicks you're going to create your whole entire course. Rapid video formula. We're going to reveal a formula to you that's going to allow you to create your videos for your course in a fraction of the time it usually takes. Sell now, build later. What if we told you that once your course is built, you're ready to start selling it? Like now. Even if you don't have all your videos shot, we'll explain the magic with this process. And we've got contests, points, badges, rewards, and massive engagement that's going to go down on session number 2. By the time this lesson is done, your course will be all loaded and ready for simple little videos to be dropped in, and you don't have to do it all at once. Day number 3. Applying the magic. Member goals. Finally, you're going to learn how to very easily create your course so that there are goals for people to complete. You won't believe what happens here. Points and badges. What if your member was able to be rewarded when they finished watching your videos, downloaded your files, commented on another's post, and finished their goals? Yup. We're the guys that do this. Monetization techniques. Never before have you been able to deploy pop-ups, countdown timers, news tickers, and banners inside of a member's area. Say what? Yup. We will show you how to do just that. Give, bundle, sell. You're going to discover how easily you're able to set up your course to be ready to go out to the market. This is done for you. The page is ready to go, and we will even give you buttons that you can place on your website, funnel, blog, etc. And we've got contests, points, badges, rewards and massive engagement that's going to go down on session number 3. By the time this lesson is done, your course will be finished and ready for you to start bringing in customers. Remember, we're going to show you how to do this in minutes. Not days, not weeks, not months, not even years. We guarantee that you're going to discover the paint by numbers formula to launch Simple Little Ugly. Many courses that you can launch, sell, or give away for massive profits in just 7 minutes. Without spending a lot of time, frustration, or money. Simple Little Ugly courses are the easiest way for any newbie to make money online. By following this simple step-by-step formula. After just 3 sessions of this workshop. Hi, my name is Chad Nicely. And one thing I hate to do is work in this business. I spend very little time actually creating content or courses. However, the little bit of time I do spend creating online content and courses pay off 10x. And it all comes down to a simple system I created that allows me to crank out content, build a list of cash-hungry buyers and make sales around the clock. If you relate to any of this, pay close attention to this letter. Because we're going to take care of this problem once and for all. You don't know where to start with your course. You haven't made a single dime with your course. People aren't finishing your course. You have multiple courses, and are not selling. You don't know if your course topic is profitable. Or maybe you've never even thought of making your own course and don't realize how these super, simple money machines print money night and day can change your life. And if you have launched a course before, I'll show you the easiest and fastest way, including you'll be starting with a proven DFY concept. You will have points, badges and rewards. You will get massive comments. You'll the simple step-by-step process. Easy peasy. You won't need a lot of videos or lessons. We're going to keep this process ugly and stupid simple. You'll be building a list of thousands of loyal cash-hungry subscribers. You'll be monetizing your existing members with banners, pop-ups, news tickers and countdown timers. Your membership site is going to be bumping with massive engagement. My partners and I have generated millions of dollars from online courses, and so have our students. And it's easy peasy for us. And yet everybody else struggles. The reason why? The processes out there are stupid and complicated. They just don't make sense. We use a very simple paint by numbers formula, with zero market research. And we never start with a blank canvas. And you see, that's where most people screw up. They think they are the Picasso of online courses. And the truth is, most courses that are launched never receive a single buyer. And those that do get buyers, usually get nearly 0% completion, which is like death if you're a course creator. You'll discover why in just a little bit. I was in the same boat. Launching courses was hard, and it used to take me months, and most of the courses I launched cost me more time and money than anything else. But they sure were pretty. I had the fancy slides, green screen videos, the amazing sizzle reel bumper videos. And the truth is, none of that crap matters. Simple little ugly courses are going to let you build a list of cash-hungry buyers. Allow sales to hit your Stripe or PayPal account each and every day. Become an authority figure in your business. Finally show you how to have a real content marketing business. So what's the secret, guys? Imagine being able to launch simple little ugly mini course whenever you wanted to, without having the technical struggle, the fancy equipment, the overwhelm, and just all the BS that doesn't even make you money. And doing 1/3 of the work required. You could launch as many of these courses as you wanted to. You could do like we do, and learn how to build a digital product library, where we make money giving away, bundling, and selling our courses. But you see, that's just the sales. We haven't even talked about the list of subscribers that you're able to build from this as well. We will reveal this stupid simple formula to you, and I promise you'll be hooked. We're even going to do better than that. If you hang out with us for a few days, we'll not only reveal this formula to you, we'll build it all out with you. And you'll be able to do this over and over as many times as you want. You'll even be able to do this for other people. And that's where you can really start banking the dough. We're talking about a 2x, 3x, even 10x in your business. Think about where your business will be when you have your own digital content library, made up of your own little ugly mini courses. This is the strategy we have been using for years. We give away, bundle, or sell these little courses. We get our email list to tell us about more courses and other offers they want to get from us. We keep giving them more stuff to keep them excited. We keep selling more courses and other offers. Rinse and repeat. Simple, right? Want access to my system? I'm sure you're saying, hell yeah. Well, I'm not going to sell you the system. And here's the reason why. When most people buy my system, they start using it like the traditional course builders that are on that market. So let me scream this from the rooftop. Our system kicks ass. Our strategies kick ass. Our members kick ass. I know you're thinking this has to be complicated, right? Well, like I said above, my daughter was only 12 years old when she launched and rocked out her course. She did it in a day and a half, and complained about the time it took. But I'm not the smartest kid on the block either. I was a C student that went to school to be a cop. I get confused really easy. If you ask anybody that knows me, I am technically challenged and I forget what I am doing half the time. Seems to be getting worse the older I get. For more information about 7-Minute Course Creator, visit the link written below on description in this video. Thank you.